Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to check storage on Mac. First of all, let's navigate and click on the Apple icon at the top left of your screen. From this menu, click on the first option, which is About this Mac, and a pop-up will appear on the screen where you will see details about your Mac. Here, click on the More Info button. This will open the settings panel on the screen where you can see the storage section at the bottom. Here you can see the available storage and the free space as well. To check more details, click on Storage Settings and it will open the storage page. This settings page may take a couple of moments to complete loading. Just wait patiently. Once the loading is complete, at the very top, you will see how much space is being used by applications, documents, system data, and macOS. You can organize your storage by enabling options like Store in iCloud, Optimize Storage, and Empty Bin automatically. After that, you'll find more options at the bottom showing the total storage used by apps, documents, and more. If you want to free up storage, click on the info icon. A pop-up will appear on the screen where all installed applications are listed. Find the ones you no longer use or don't recognize and delete them to free up storage. And that's it. This is how you can check and free up storage on your MacBook. I hope this video is helpful. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.